So today is the fourth day of learning English for preparing my EPT test, and for and the rules is I will read this text. I have very much text, and today is the title is Jupiter now has 92 months after new discovery. Jupiter already reigns as king of the planet. It's the largest one our solar system, and now the gas giant has the most known months too. Astronomers have observed 12 additional months orbiting Jupiter, bringing its total number of confirmed months to 92. The discovery was made during observation by astronomer Scott Shepard of the Carnegie Institution for Science and his team. They used the Subaru telescope in Hawaii in September 2021 and the dark energy camera located on the Blanco telescope at the Cerro Toloto Inter-American Observatory in Chile in August 2022. The dark energy camera can survey the sky for faint objects, Jupiter and its natural satellites, were in alignment with more distant targets that Shepard and his team have been seeking in the Kuiper Belt, a ring of icy objects circling the Sun that's located past the orbit of Neptune on the edge of the solar system. We have been surveying for new months around Jupiter serendipitously, while our main survey is looking for planets in the outer solar system beyond Pluto, Shepard said. The team could tell the difference between Jupiter and the object around it versus the distant solar system object because any object around Jupiter would be moving at the same rate as the gas giant. Distant solar system objects can move as quickly as objects moving with Jupiter. Follow-up observation of the 12 new months took about a year to confirm that the team used the Magellan telescope in Chile to conduct that work. None of the months have names yet since their discovery was just announced, but the Minor Planet Center will assign each one a number in the coming months. The Minor Planet Center tracks the position of minor planets, comets, and space rock under the auspice of the International Astronomical Union. The organization is responsible for the identification, dissemination, and orbital data for such celestial objects. The International Astronomical Union allows the naming of any month larger than about 1.5 miles or 2.4 kilometers in size, of which half of these new discoveries are larger than that. So they will get names, Shepard said. Because Jupiter is a bright planet, astronomers have had to deal with the issue of glare and scatter with affecting the space where months can exist. Technology is making it easier to observe Jupiter and the area around it in greater detail. Shepard and his team are in the process of tracking many more months around Jupiter, but they need more observation to confirm and announce their discoveries. Finding additional months around Jupiter and determining their orbit could help identify target for future mission. The European Space Agency Jupiter IC Mons Explorer, launching in April, and NASA's Europa Clipper mission expected that launch in 2024 will be visiting Jupiter and some of its moons this decade, and the mission may be able to swing by the newly discovered moons on their way. These other moons can only be visited by the spacecraft as they enter Jupiter's gravitational sphere of influence, Shepard said. The hope is that if we find enough, one of them will happen to just be near the spacecraft trajectory for it to get close-up image. These other months are important to understand because they are the last remnants of the population of objects that form in the giant planet region as the rest of the material was incorporating into the planet. The giant planet region is where the largest planet in our solar system can be found, and it's devoid the devoid of object now because the planet could come up all of the material in the formation process. Shepard and his team believe that these mounts are remains of at least 7 larger mounts that broke apart when they collided with other mounts, asteroid or comet. The the fracturing of this moon led to the creation of hundreds of smaller mounts, Shepard said. Okay, next I will read one more. Why the title is Why You Keep Having the Same Dream. For years, dream of my teeth cracking, loosening, or falling out plagued my sleep. Loved ones of mine have repeatedly dreamed or of flying, rolling away in a self-operation car, or running late for school or work. These aren't typically nightmares, which actually happen once. They are some of the most common recurring dreams, which tend to learn negative and can take some work to overcome. Recurring dreams are like liar to be about very profound life experience or just very character logic issues that are kind of guaranteed to recur in working life because they are part of your rather than one time event, said dream researcher Deere Barrett, as a lecturer of psychology in the Department of Psychiatry at Harvard Medical School. Since our dreams typically don't repeat themselves, all it takes is dream the same dream twice or more for it to be considered recurring. Barrett said they are more common in childhood, Barrett said, but can last into adulthood. And recurring dreams don't always happen in close proximity to each other. They can pop up multiple times per month or years apart. Barrett said recurring dreams might be the same every time, or they might just recycle the same type of scenario or worries. Experts said it is difficult to assess the prevalence of recurrent dream because it is not something that happens on a regular basis for most people, said clinical psychologist Dr. Neil Reid Sofer today. A senior lecturer in the Department of Psychology at Ben Gurion University of the Negev in Israel via email. And when people are asked about past dream in their life, they may be influenced by memory distortion, interest in dream, or like thereof, or other factor. Regardless, anything that comes up repeatedly is worth investigating, said sleep medicine specialist Dr. Alex Dimitriou, founder of Silicon Psych and psychiatry and sleep medicine practice in Menlo Park, California. People have this kind of touch and go approach with things that are uncomfortable or fear including. And I think dreams are in some way the same way. Dimitriou said, as a psychiatrist, I'm inclined to say that there is some message that might be trying to be conveyed to you. And the answer then might be to figure out what that is. And I think when you do, you might be able to put that thing to rest. For some recurring dream, the message is straightforward. If you repeatedly dream about running late for school or work, you are probably just often nervous about being unprepared, but but other dispute their commonness might not have a universal meaning, requiring you do some soul searching to learn more. In interpretation, we really don't believe they are a universal symbol, but that it's what an individual's own sort of personal symbol system is, and their association to something or parroted. In addition to unpreparedness, other common themes of recurring dream include social embarrassment, feeling inadequate, comparing with others, and danger in the form of car crashes or natural disaster. Barrett and Dimitriou said some people have dreams revolving around the test anxiety, even if they haven't been in school in years. Barrett said this can reflect a general fear of failure or a sense of being judged by authority figure. Dream of tooth loss or damage might have to do with loss of something else in your life. Feeling of hopelessness or defenselessness or health concern. When faced with a recurring dream, ask yourself what the message could be. Dimitriou said, what is your relationship to the things or people in the dream? What are your fears and belief system about those things? What are the top? What are the top 5 things in your life that might be triggered in it or relate to it? What are you really worried about? People with post-traumatic stress disorder or anxiety are more likely to have recurring dreams, especially ones with anxious nature. Dimitriou said, PTSD dreams stem from a trauma so severe It keeps returning in as a nightmare. The brain is trying to resolve something and lay it to rest, he added. But in people with PTSD, their dreams are so vivid that they make them up from sleep, and that becomes the problem because the dream never gets processed, and what's why it recur its unfinished work.